I am back another camera compare video. Today video about is Honor 8X and Samsung Galaxy A7. Honor 8X main camera 20 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and 2 megapixel depth sensor with LED flash and 16 megapixel selfie camera with 2.0 aperture. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy A7 triple camera phone. First one 24 megapixel 1.7 aperture, 8 megapixel 2.4 aperture ultra wide and 5 megapixel 2.2 aperture depth sensor with LED flash and 24 megapixel selfie camera. Hey there, I am SHADAT from SHADAT'S DAYOUT. So let's start the video.